Now, if you go out there and you Google crypto news today, I want you to take a look at these headlines here. Crypto news up in the Google search bar, you can see that Ethereum outperforming the market, surging to $3,900 after the ETF approval. Excellent. Spot Ethereum ETF approval, maybe even better for Bitcoin. Of course, that's Michael Saylor, who thinks Bitcoin's the only crypto out there. Now, JP Morgan saying, well, we don't know if we're going to see Solana ETFs yet. But look at this down here, man. We've got Trump vowing to aid Silk Road founder in a crypto appeal. Trump posts, our country must be the leader in crypto field. Think about this, guys. Now, all of a sudden, we're going from a 180% turn from the current administration to the future administration. And cryptocurrency could be a major leader and a major gainer among the top industries out there, I guess, following the political election here in the United States. And check this out. Argentina aims to learn from El Salvador's Bitcoin success. You guys want the key to success? Buy in. El Salvador didn't do anything other than buy Bitcoin, and they are reaping the rewards of doing so. Let's talk about cryptocurrency. Let's talk about this upcoming bull market, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, bro, and guys, you've got nothing but positive news after positive news on the screen right here. I think that this is what is necessary in order for a bull market to take place. You need confidence being restored. You need cryptocurrency being talked about in a positive manner, and that is not what the current administration has done here in the United States over the last 4 years. In fact, they have slandered the name of cryptocurrency investors. In fact, I believe they orchestrated the sabotage of some of the top cryptocurrency firms in the world, and now all of that is changing. Now, you guys can have your own reasons for the shift in political nature of the cryptocurrency world, and I don't care what those reasons are. The facts are that cryptocurrency will be embraced here in the United States, and if that is the case, a bull market like we have never seen before could be on the horizon. And if that's what we're leading up towards, the smaller, well, first of all, let's go for the cycle here. When you move from bear market to bull market, what happens is you get the least confident investors jumping into the larger coins. And as confidence grows, they start moving down to altcoins. And then as confidence grows, they move down to meme coins. And then as confidence grows, the smallest of the small begin to surge. That's how you see gains, like you saw in Pepe last year, going from thousands of dollars to now billions of dollars. Guys, people thought Pepe peaked at a $1.7 billion market cap. They were absolutely wrong. People thought that Shiba Inu coin would return to zero. They were absolutely wrong. And the next up on the list that could make wild returns for people just simply willing to take a risk in it, Dogeverse. So let's talk about that for a second. There's 6 days and 18 hours left in the Dogeverse presale. That means that after this timer runs down, you are no longer going to be able to buy in at a guaranteed price of 0.0031. It is going to be up to the market at that point. And a lot of people are expecting major returns very early on, and they would tell you that you're never going to be able to see that price of 0.0031 ever again. It is only going to go up. Now, clearly, nobody has a crystal ball and nobody knows exactly which direction these cryptocurrencies are going to go. But if you do find yourself interested in buying into Dogeverse, you got to use the link that's in the description below. It's going to pull you up to the correct website. And trust me when I tell you, there are a lot of scam Dogeverse websites out there. I mean, Google it. You can see all the different ones that pop up if you want, but I wouldn't even risk that. I would simply click the link that's in the description below. From there, if you're interested in grabbing 10 Ethereum worth, you could walk away with 124 million Dogeverse. 124 million Dogeverse, guys. If it hits a penny, you're sitting on $1.2 million. Think about that. $1.2 million if this simply 30x's to a 1 penny price point. And if you thought 10 Ethereum was a lot, not according to some of these whales here. The whales are jumping in with 62 Ethereum in single transactions. Guys, they are betting, and they are betting heavy on Dogeverse being successful. And you can go out there and you can Google plenty of articles that corroborate just that. They say that Dogeverse presale is ending in a week, and it could be the largest and best meme coin of 2024. Now, those are some high expectations, and I myself have very high expectations for Dogeverse. I myself have bought in to Dogeverse, and I'm excited to see just how high Dogeverse can go upon launch and upon completion of their multi-chain bridge. Guys, I said Ethereum, but you can also buy with BNB, Matic, Avalanche, Base, and Solana. Not only can you buy with those, but you can claim on those blockchains as well. And from there, you're going to be able to seamlessly bridge from one blockchain to another with minuscule gas fees to worry about. Guys, Dogeverse is building actual utility. And it's building actual utility for meme coin investors. Think about it. If all of the money being thrown into meme coins right now went through a Dogeverse bridge, the demand would be through the roof. And if that happens, it's not just demand that goes through the roof, it's the price of Dogeverse that goes through the roof as well. Now, if you are interested in buying in, please make sure to utilize that link down there, but you don't have to worry about the volatility of launch day and so on. If you simply want to stake your Dogeverse, you can earn 48% annualized income. Now, that is a dynamic reward rate, so the earlier you do get in here and stake, the higher your reward rate is going to be, but 48% is phenomenal. Go to the bank and try to ask them for 48%. I dare you. They're probably, honestly, they probably won't laugh at you, but the guy at the bank's like, and I have no idea what you're talking about. He's going to say that's impossible. Nobody gives 48%, and you can tell him about Dogeverse at that point and say that, yes, people are giving 48% annualized interest just for holding your money there. Now, it is a 7-day lockup. If you guys are going to be buying in and staking Dogeverse here, you can see that it's, you can't withdraw for 7 days after the token claiming goes live if you do decide to stake. So please, make the decision that is best for you, and I want to know down in the comments below if you're as excited as I am about Dogeverse launching in the coming days. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.